Welcome back to At Least We Tried It, and by we, that's the royal we, really meaning me. Anyway, today I'm satisfying my sweet tooth and also preparing for Halloween. I picked up the new KitKat Ghost Toast and Witch's Brew. So without further ado, I want to give it a try. I'm curious about the flavor of the Witch's Brew first, which is green. Move that aside and open that up. That cute little witch in the purple color, one of my favorite colors. So this is the bag that we use for trick-or-treating. Ooh, the KitKat is green. Let me give it a smell test. Ooh, that smells so nice. Okay. We've got the cookie inside. Let me give it a taste. I'm not sure what this is supposed to taste like, but I like it. Heaven help me, I might eat this whole bag. Oh, good. 2 packages per serving. That's great. So it's crisp wafers and marshmallow flavored cream. Okay, so that's what it is. Bewitching. Ah, that one's delicious. Okay, let me try the Ghost Toast here. I've had these bags now for almost 2 weeks. All right, Ghost Toast, I think it's supposed to taste like French toast. Crisp wafers and cinnamon toast. Okay, cinnamon toast. A cute little ghost there. What a little ghost. How cute is that? And just like the package, it's this orange color. There we go. There's the cookie. It smells like cinnamon. I love cinnamon. Guys, this tastes like cinnamon toast crunch. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get diabetes. Heaven help me. These are good. Anyway, I recommend it. Thumbs up. Definitely try it. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.